Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our evening time, drive time, kind of the after work Asian time video, guys. And hopefully everybody in America, wakey guys, wake up, get that cup of Joe down, here. And remember, this is Daryl, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! The ice baby, the vanilla ice of crypto coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hey, I'm still in lockdown. It's like, I don't know, it's getting close to like 75 days. We got a whole bunch of stuff to talk about. You guys know that we got the Evergrande, the Chinese decide to bail them out. And this is really good news because, we saw that all the markets are going up. Bitcoin's going up. The old coins are absolutely exploding. But not only that, guys, what is really great, what is really fantastic, we're seeing so many catalysts for Dogecoin that's come out in the past couple of days. Now, unfortunately, if we are in, a bull period of this month, or if we were in October, you would see absolutely Dogecoin would be screaming to the moon. Woo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. But unfortunately, because we had all this Debbie Downer event, we got Gary Gensler in the house, and we got Yellen the fella, we got the angry granny, and they're just going nuts in this regulation fight. It's like every news article I see on the internet is like Gary. I mean, he's just picking a fight with crypto. We're going to talk about that. He recently had an interview in the New York Times, and he said some pretty disturbing stuff. I mean, if this was just average Joe who did something like that, they would say, hey, you might be some kind of mafioso boss and get in trouble. But he said some stuff. We're going to go through that interview. Also, too, Elon Musk tweeted, guys. Elon Musk tweeted something important and mind-blowing about Doge. We need to talk about that, guys. And, when is Tesla going to accept Dogecoin for buying a Tesla? When are we going to see Tesla turn back on the Bitcoin? What are you waiting for, Elon? Already we have proof confirmation positive that, the miners, more than 50% of the energy used for mining is eco-friendly, guys, and renewable. So where's your promise? Remember we had this whole eco thing that was this whole thing about, at the last huge Bitcoin conference with Jack Dorsey, and Elon said, yeah, if we can prove beyond a reasonable doubt that there's a positive momentum with the miners using renewable energy, then they go for that. So, Elon, I'm sorry, brother, I'm not paying you to beat you up, but come on. What are you waiting for? I have a feeling that this is all going to come out in October. So, the other news for Doge, you guys all know about the Robinhood huge announcement. Remember, this video is not financial advice. I got to squeeze that in there. So, this video is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only. I got to say that. If I don't say that, I can get in trouble. Seriously. So that's why you'll see a lot of YouTubers out there. We got to say that because unless you have a licensed financial analyst license. I mean, I think I do have one actually from back in college because I actually have a securities trading license. I mean, it expired a long time ago. But does that qualify me? I don't know. So we got to say that. Also, so Elon, when are you going to announce a Bitcoin? We've had all this cash. We've got the Robinhood wallets, guys. Looks like they're going to start going live in October. So this is going to be huge for Dogecoin because this is truly going to allow the absolute pure Doge to have more and more utility because a lot of Dogecoin holders are on Robinhood, guys and gals. So this is going to be huge. We got the AMC theaters who said, they had this whole poll that went out. Would you want to see Dogecoin to buy the most expensive hot dogs on planet Earth and and movie tickets? And they said, yeah, we want it. So that was a huge poll. I did talk about that in a number of videos. I got a frog in my throat. I don't know what's going on. It's scratchy. So, we did talk about that in a couple of videos. So you guys got to go back and watch the other videos. So that's really good news. And then also, too, one of the developers did say something. And, one of the former developers, the salty Palmer in the house, he doesn't like Doge. And he kind of like, could have been a billionaire driving Lambos and having huge yachts and stuff. But he actually said something pretty positive about Doge today. I was like, what? Maybe he's, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. But anyways, he said something. We're going to jump in that. So, and then we got some news stories. We got some Gary Gensler related, regulated news stuff. We're going to talk about Evergreen in the house. And then also, too, we're going to talk about Bitcoin Bitcoin. We're going to look at some Bitcoin TA because there's something brewing. And remember, I told you we need to have the dump before we have the pump, the dump before the bump. And we're seeing the bump. And we're going to see exactly as I predict, exactly as I told you guys that would happen. This pattern is breaking out. And it looks like we're going to go to the moon, guys. So, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer. But, we've only got like 7 to 8 days left in this month. I can't wait for this month to end because it's just been a real cuckoo month. But, if you guys had followed my advice when we had the first evergreen flash and the second one crash flash, the two flashes that we had, flash, I'm losing everything going down. If you guys have bought the dips, you guys have been making tons. So we're going to explore, we're going to review some of those coins that you should have bought and see how much money you could have been making, and hopefully you did, and those that did, congratulations. Then we're also going to turn back the clock, guys. We're going to turn back the clock and go back to 2019, and we're going to see where crypto was, where Bitcoin was. So when you look at that, you guys won't feel so bad about where we are today, particularly for the newbies who can't even go that far back. You're going to see that things are looking pretty good, guys. And then I came across something, and this is really interesting. You guys need to take a look at it. I found a link where you can get free crypto courses and certificate from like Princeton University, and it's free, guys, and you get a certificate. So I'm going to share that link with you so you guys can go on there, and they've got like, it's from Princeton, guys. It's the real deal. So they're offering like free online courses for Bitcoin and other stuff. So take a look at that. And the only catch is if you want their certificate, you have to pay like $49 or something like that. And they will send you like a proper certificate. So, and you can put that on your LinkedIn, put it on your CV. And it's genuine, guys. It's genuine. So, so it's really It's really cool, guys. So I'll share that with you. I just came across that because I was looking at, I want to share some love with you guys, and the newbies. You guys may want to take the Bitcoin 101. And I found this thing online, and it's really cool. And I reviewed it, and it's good stuff. It's good stuff, and it's from Princeton. It's the real deal, guys. The real deal. So let's jump into content. Let's jump into the content, guys. Oh, and one last thing. Got to say this, guys. People have been reporting that in the comment section of the videos, we're getting like more and more kind of like scammer type comments, and these are like they use my logo, the OG logo, the Daily Crypto Daily Signals, Crypto Daily Trade Signals. Get your R's right, and they're actually using my logo, and they're saying like contact me on WhatsApp and da. And then when they have the WhatsApp, it's not like WhatsApp and the number. They kind of break it down with putting different characters because the YouTube algorithm will catch that and ka-zing out there. So guys, watch out. I will never ask you to contact me, and I will never give you, financial advice, guys. I just don't do that. So if you see these links in the comments, please ignore them. It's absolutely not me. The only way that you can contact the channel is we have two official sources, and that is through our Twitter, and our Twitter is right there, guys. At Elegant Investment 1. Okay, that's the first way, and then the second way. And I'll get my face out of the way. Is you go to the About section of the channel, ding, 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 and you go down the subscription, and then it's a view email address. So those are only two legitimate ways to contact us. So guys, we're not going to ask you to contact us. We don't do that. And then also too, we also have a Telegram group as well. And if you're a super member in the house, or a VIP member, you need to send an email right now to this email. Send it to Jenny Tong. She's our Director of Marketing and Communications over Elegant Investments. And send her email with the YouTube handle at the time that you became a super member or VIP member, and then we'll share that link, guys. So those are the only official ways that you can contact us. So with that being said, I just want to give a big shout out to, these are some new subscribers in the house. These guys subscribed today. So guys, before we do that, guys, please show the algorithm that you love this channel. Smash up the likes. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, guys. And don't forget to comment and subscribe, YB. So we got some new subscribers in the house. God bless all of you. Thank you for being part of the community, and thank you for joining the Crypto Daily Trade Signals family. And if you want to do more and be more, become a member, guys. And the link is also in the About section as well as the channel. So we got Jairus Reichman. We got Lee's Life. We got Anthony. We got Paolo in the house. We got Andy. We got Maxwell, and we got Maddie, Ben. I can't say all your name, buddy. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. And also, too, we got some new members in the house. We're going to say hello. We got Glennie, and we got Surendra Karaki in the house, guys. Thank you for becoming members. So let's jump into it. Let's jump into it right now. So, let's go back in time. The mystery of the crypto world. So we go back in time. It says this is now September 27, 2020, and you can see, Bitcoin back then was $10,000. So if you guys had bought, this is like a year ago, right? If you guys had bought Bitcoin a year ago and you held on to it, and now we're at 40,000, yeah, you'd be making like $30,000 per coin. Ching ching. If you'd have had Ethereum at $357, this is where I bought my Ethereum. Okay, you'd be up. I think you could be up like 300, 400% right now. So that's really good. XRP, I never talk about XRP. XRP. Chainlink, Chainlink is at $10. Let's take a look at let's just do a comparison. Where's Chainlink right now? So Chainlink in the house. Chainlink in the house is at $24. So if you guys had bought Chainlink and held on to it, you would have doubled your money, right? Let's see. We got a Binance in the house. Binance is like around about $400, right? Pretty close too. Polkadot is like $35. So you guys, Cardano we know is at $2.15, $2.20. It was only at 10 cents. You guys could have loaded up. You guys have made like 1,500% increase, guys. Imagine that. Stellar, Nano, Cosmos. Cosmos is at $4.73 in 2020. Let's see where Cosmos is now. Let's go check out the Cosmos. Cosmos is at $39. So you guys would have just been screaming away. It's at $4.73. Now it's for $39. And this is only a year ago. This is only 12 months ago. So we're not like we're going way back in time. VeChain was only at a penny, and it's like 11 to 12 cents right now. And where's my Dogecoin? Dogecoin years ago was at 0.0026 cents. This is where I bought my Doge about 4 million. So guys, it's really cool, guys, that sometimes you just want to go back in time, zoom out, and you can see that things are absolutely not that bad. $10,000 Bitcoin in 2020, guys. So let me just jump in. I found this, guys. This is really interesting. Go to Coursera, and it's www.coursera.org. Okay. Coursera.org, and this is a nonprofit organization, and the whole idea behind this is to provide courses on different kinds of technologies, and there's a whole bunch of stuff out there. And this is offered by Princeton University. So this is offered by Princeton, and it's free, 100% free, guys. And you go through the course, and it's all about Bitcoin network, blockchains, cryptocurrency. So it's really cool, guys. And this is from a real person, like an associate professor at computer sciences at Princeton, guys. So this is not a lightweight. So go and check this out. I thought this would be really good, even for the seasoned people out there. This is a Princeton course. Check it out. And it's free, guys. Learn about Bitcoin and the blockchain. And after that, you get like a certificate, So it's really cool beans, and check it out, guys. Just look at the syllabus in the house. This is what you're gonna learn, guys. You're gonna learn all this stuff. So if you are getting into crypto space and you're investing, guys, you definitely want to be taking this. So these are all the courses here by Princeton, blockchain basics. So this is all the stuff that's going on, guys. So get into it, check it out. This is really good stuff. So once again, go to Coursera.org. That's it. Coursera.org, exactly like that, www.coursera.org. I think this is really important. And they've got all these courses, guys. They've got data science, business, a whole bunch of stuff. And this is all free. It's all free. It's part of some nonprofit initiative to provide higher learning to people with lower incomes and Joe Public. So I think it's really good news, guys. So get it. I just thought I want to help out, spread the love, and go to Coursera. It's free. It's 100% free. You're going to love it. So let's jump into some news. So you guys know that right now, Shibatoshi Nakamura, one of the main devs, he tweeted out today and he said, Robinhood announcing wallets, AMC CEO not only talking about accepting Dogecoin, but saying that it's the single most important tweet that he ever had. And, and now he's really feeling that it's important. And then Elon Musk, Elon in the house, Elon, the Dogefather, he tweeted out, super important for Doge fees to drop to make things like buying movie tickets viable. So what he's saying is that first of all, he's still engaged, okay? The Elon Musk is still very much engaged in the Dogecoin, all right? He's saying it's super important for Doge fees to drop, and he's basically telling the Dogecoin Foundation to giddy up with this new, update, get the fees down, because once we have all this catalyst, we've got the Robinhood, we've got AMC, and the more important thing, AMC, okay, it's a nice thing, but it's not as important as the Robinhood wallet. The Robinhood wallets are absolutely so important. I'm going to like it. I'm going to retweet that. So it's so important that they do that, because so many people holding the Dogecoin are absolutely going to love it when they can have their cryptocurrency working with Robinhood, and that's going to allow them just to go to AMC and go scan and start using it, and it's going to create a huge amount of utility for Dogecoin. It's absolutely going to be insane in the membrane. I'm going to love it. You're going to love it. So this is really good news, and this is a huge catalyst. Thank you, Elon Musk. Thank you, we love you. So some other stuff. Dogecoin more popular than ever, even as transaction hits the lowest since 2017. So recently, the number of transactions for Dogecoin has been an all-time low, guys. But this hasn't stopped the excitement. This hasn't stopped the Doge army, the Doge spreading love, guys. Hashtag Doge spreading love. And and like I said, we got AMC, Adam Aaron going nuts and saying, look, we're gonna support it, the payments by the end of 2021. And also we saw a real estate agent, Red Swan, accepting Dogecoin too. So that all happened in the last couple of days. And we got the Robinhood. So we've got tokenization of real estate platform, Red Swan accepting it. So it's really cool news. So multiple firms have made Doge adoption plays this week, including Robinhood, okay, which I think is the biggest and the key, which confirmed that it's going to roll out crypto wallets. We know that in its next app next month, supporting Doge deposits and withdrawals. The Meme Coins co-creator Billy Marcus, who is no longer with the project, he also stated earlier today, okay, we're allowed to overreact now. Robinhood wallets is huge news for Dogecoin. This is huge, guys. It's totally huge, but like nobody's really paying any attention, because we got this whole Evergrande thing and the whole crash. So I'm paying attention because I love the Doge. You love the Doge. So also too, buy 384 million in real estate with Doge. On Wednesday, a commercial real estate tokenization platform, Red Swan, announced that it would accept Dogecoin for 2 digital real estate deals on its marketplace, and the firm is offering fractionalization ownership in 2 high-rise apartment buildings worth a combined 384 million. So basically, you can have a fractionalized stake in this apartment, and then you get dividends in return. So the 2 digital real estate deals, dubbed Aplo and El Hawk, are taking minimum investors $1,000, roughly 4,447 Doge at the time of writing, and are offering annualized target investor internal rate of returns of 26 to 19%. That's not too shabby, guys. That's not too shabby. So this is more and more utility. So we're loving the Doge. We're loving the dish. So normally, if Doge was, if this was a normal cycle and everything was going up and everything was positive and everybody was euphoric and we didn't have all this fear, we can see that the fear right here is 27. If we didn't have all of this fear in the house, we would be seeing Doge absolutely skyrocket. We got the Elon Musk tweet, we got the Robinhood, we got AMC, we got real estate company allowing fractionalized purchase of a huge apartment building and paying you dividends and interest on that. But because of this is everyone's too focused on, is it over? We're in fear. People are missing this. SushiSwap denies. Here's some other news. SushiSwap denies reports $1 billion bug. So there was basically a white hatter, and he looked at the SushiSwap and he found that there's a bug, and this bug is a potential vulnerability by this white hatter, He was snooping around the smart chain, and he's snooping around like Sherlock Holmes, and he said he has identified 2 vulnerabilities that could, cause $1 billion worth of funds to be siphoned off of the sushi swap. So the developers have denied it. Of course they're going to deny it, because if they said, yeah, there's a bug, we know about it, we don't care. I mean, come on, that's not a good thing to do. So this, hats off to the Hatter, the White Hatter. So let's see how, I'm sure the sushi swap, they're going to be quietly patching that up. They're going to be quietly, Dogecoin on the moon. So they're going to be quietly patching that up. Some other news that's happening right now. So Evergrande, so after this whole post-nationalization rumors means that, the $18 billion, $19 billion worth of bailout money from the Chinese government, Evergrande is surging, the stocks are surging 27%. So that's really good, because, if we see the pre-markets right now for the Dow and the NASDAQ are looking really positive. So I think we're going to have a huge green day in America. You guys have to take it to the top. So this is really good news, guys. So hopefully this will continue to push the markets higher and higher. So also too, we can see that Terra price analysis, Luna spikes at $34, setting a higher low. So Luna is about to take off and about to go to the moon, guys. Luna's about to go to the moon. Don't tell anyone. This is top secret. Only a Crypto Daily Trade Signals. We're talking about it. And all the subscribers and members. Luna is going to the moon. Top secret. So yeah, Luna is going to the moon, guys. So get ready and take a look at this. Not financial advice, but I'm loading up on my Luna. So, here we go. Once again, did Secretary Gary Gensler threaten crypto and DeFi in the Wall Street interview? Yes, he did. And here's the episode of that. So basically, Gary had this interview, and Gary Gensler lures crypto with honey and vinegar. The topic of the day. And Gary said this: if these tokens, and there are 5,000 or 6,000 different token projects, if these tokens have the attributes of an investment contract or a note, or have the abilities of equity or bonds, and in essence, one of the core issues that there are platforms, trading platforms where you can buy and sell these tokens, lending platforms where you can earn and return on these tokens that not just dozens of tokens, but sometimes hundreds of thousands of tokens. And it's highly likely that they have on these platforms securities, investment contracts or notes, and other things that fit into the definition of the security. And these platforms should come in and they should figure out how to register and be investor protection remit. So basically he's saying that he's going after all the crypto exchanges, and he's going after them in a big way. So, and then he said, and then the interviewer said, well, good luck with that. What will happen if people don't obey your organization's mandate, Mr. Gensler? And Gary now said, I do really fear that we'll keep bringing these enforcement cases, but there's going to be a problem. There's going to be a problem on lending platforms or trading platforms. And frankly, when that happens, I think a lot of people are going to get hurt. Whoops, did Gary just say a lot of people are going to get hurt? Okay, woo. So, we're not, so in this article, we're not saying that Gary Gensler is threatening you, but he obviously is speaking about the risk of unregulated markets. However, there's going to be a problem, and a lot of people are going to get hurt. That's what the man said. So that's what he said. So that's kind of interesting. So let's see how that pans out. And this is an article, and that's an interview, guys. So I don't know, but so it looks like he's definitely got crypto and financial regulation in his crosshairs. And so this is what he's saying, guys. That is what Gary Gensler said. Did the SEC, Gary Gensler, threaten crypto and DeFi in this recent interview? I don't know. I just paraphrased what he said, so it looks pretty interesting to me. So other stuff, we've also seen that the altcoins have added 100 billion in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is above 3,100. So that's why we're seeing everything green, everything's going up, everything's looking pretty bullish, guys. So let's take a look at the pre-markets right now. So right now we can see that the pre-markets, the Dow is up, the S&P is up, and the NASDAQ future is up. So that markets are going to pumpity pump, guys. So this is a really great time to be alive. So let's look at Bitcoin right now. But before we do that, let's take a look at the total market capitalization in the house. So we can see the total market capitalization right now is about 1.983 trillion. Today it hit a high of 2.2, It's come down a little bit, so don't worry about that. This is a nothing burger, because in Asia's in transition now, and once America opens up, you guys should take it higher, because the Nasdaq and the broader markets are looking pretty peachy. So here we go, guys. Here's the Bitcoin on the 1 hour, and it's looking pretty bullish, and we're at 44,644. Yeah, in the house. And you can see this is that line that I drew yesterday. This was the dump. This is a pump. So if you guys are wondering why Bitcoin keeps getting rejected here, well, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, and you'll understand why. My face is always in the way. So if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we have this line here that goes all the way down. This is a line of resistance. I call this the DMZ. This is the DMZ. So Bitcoin needs to break above this line, and this line also corresponds with the roundabout here, which is around about the 44,700 range, 44,644-ish. So we're definitely going to get up there. We're now at 44,100. So we need to break above that, and if we can clear that and stay above there for 1 day confirmation, then we're going to see ours breaking up to 46,000 in the house. Easy peasy Japanese. Just keep an eye on that. But so far, we had the dump, we had the bump, and now we're hitting some resistance on this white descending line here. So this white descending line carries all the way down to the $41,000, $42,000 area. So it's looking pretty bullish. I mean, we went up to it, got rejected once, and now we're attempting. We went up, got rejected, went up twice, got rejected. So hopefully we can make it back up there and get past that line. If we get past that line, it's really bullish. If we cannot get that past that line, then we're going to get a huge rejection and probably bounce down to this level here, which will probably take us around the 40,000-ish area. So we don't want that to happen, guys. We do not want that to happen. So the good news is, if we look at the weekly, we have the 21-day EMA. Bitcoin is firmly above that. So this is really cool news, really good news, guys. So if we look at Plan B, 63,000 incoming October. He called it. I think that's absolutely going to happen. So if you look at Dogecoin in the house, is right now at 22 cents, and you can see here that Dogecoin. This is our resistance line that goes all the way from right here on the 7th of September and goes all the way down here. We can see here we got rejected here. We got rejected again here, and we got rejected 1, 2, 3 times. So it looks like this is the target we have to get above. So if we can get past this descending resistance line here, and then we should be able to break out and see 23 cents coming in. So that's looking pretty bullish and pretty positive for the Doge in the house. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So right now Ethereum is trading at $3,089 in the house, and we're getting pretty close to this resistance level here. And let me just adjust that, because this is resistance levels right here. So we have resistance around about 3,149, 3150 to be exact, and we keep butting our head against that. So I think we can break out of that. We just need a little bit of momentum from the US to make things happen. But you can clearly see that we went up, rejected once, went up, rejected twice, rejected 3 times, and this was a bit of a huge rejection, and hopefully we can see ourselves going past that. If we cannot, then we're going to see ourselves breaking down below the $3,000 level and see $2,800 coming in, guys and gals. Let's take a look at ADA in the house. Pretty similar. We had this purple line here, this trend line. We went up, we went past it, and we got rejected hard. We went up, rejected, and we got rejected hard twice. So we're at $2.20. If we can't stay above that, then we could see ourselves going back down to $2. Easy peasy Japanesey. But that all depends on how the markets are going to react in America. And I think they're going to be pretty positive overall. So that's what I think, guys, overall. And let's take a look at Solana in the house. Pretty similar thing. We got this whole descending triangle, and we went up, we got rejected, and now we're down. And let's see if the US can take it. If we can't get above, break outside this triangle and start making our way to 155, then we could see an easily rejection down to $140 level pretty soon. And right now we're $146 in the house, guys. So with that being said, this is an Avalanche in the house. Avalanche is doing pretty good, guys, right now. And it's at $75, and on the 4-hour painted a high today of $79. It got rejected, and right now we're trading at $75. So once again, it looks like we have this descending triangle line here from the top to here. and we broke out of it, so that's really good. And we're still continuing to break out of it. So let's see if we can continue. Even if we go sideways, that'll form a bull flag, which is often a bullish indicator. We should still continue going up. So it's looking okay for Solana in the house. So with that being said, let's take a look at the markets right now. So the total, let me just refresh that. So the total market cap right now is 2.01 trillion. It's just moved up a little bit. And the total volume is 87.68 billion, guys. And the dominance is 4106. So that's coming down. That's pretty good. That's looking good. So let's take a look at the markets, the coin markets. Right now, Bitcoin is at 43,891, and that's up 4%. Ethereum is at 3,092. That's up almost 4.5%. ADA is at $2.23. That's at 5.4. But both Bitcoin and Ethereum and ADA, they need to clear that resistance level, or they could stand a possibility to get rejected, and we could see ourselves going back down into the red, guys. BNB is at $376, and that's up 4.11%. Solana in the house is doing very good. It's still up 12.7%, but it's broken out of that descending triangle, as I said, and now it's trying to go higher and form higher lows, and hopefully it can retest all-time highs again, guys, because we had an all-time high for Solana of $214. So hopefully we can continue going up past that descending triangle and start heading up to 200. DOT is up 9%, and my Doge is up 5.71%, and it's a great number. It's at 2222222. So Avalanche is up, guys, 23%. So hopefully you guys got that. Luna is also screaming away. So things are looking pretty good. So with that being said, guys, let's don't forget to follow me on Twitter. If you're not getting notifications, go to Twitter and you're going to get them right there, guys. And don't forget to tell the algorithm you love this channel, smash the like, subscribe, YB, and guys, check out my links. Don't forget this is not financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict, guys, and come on, guys, please. We've been stuck at 557 subscribers on Zen Music Addict for like 2 days now. Please take the time, go over there, Zen Music Addict. The link is in the description, and please subscribe. You show some social love for the OG's wife in the house. She's getting sad, she's getting down, she's becoming a Debbie Downer. Please help support the channel, guys. Become Patreon members, buy the channel a coffee. All of this goes to charity, and don't forget to check out the merch. We've got hats, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of stuff, guys. Check it out. We got get the mug, get the backpack, get the backpack, get the pillow, willow. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So, guys, it's a glorious time to be part of the Doge. Glorious time to be in crypto. Crypto is absolutely going to be pumping in October. You'll see it, and we're going to go up like faster than you can see and imagine. And it's a great time to be alive. So, guys, God bless you all. Spread the good vibe. This is OG in the house. I'm working for you. And spread the good vibe. God bless all of you. And Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Let's get it. Woo! In the house.